are exactly the 5 mistakes that I didn't do while being on my transformation journey. If you are trying to lose weight, you should definitely avoid these 5 mistakes. Hello everyone, welcome to Glow with Rinja. In today's video, I am going to tell you what not to do when you are trying to lose weight. So I went from this to this. I lost 15 kgs in 3 months, and these are exactly the 5 mistakes that I didn't do while being on my transformation journey. Previously, I was doing these mistakes unknowingly, and that was the reason I was unable to lose all the weight. But since I learned from it, I could understand that stopping these mistakes will actually help me lose weight, and I actually did it. First up, we have carbs. We are totally confused about carbs. Should we eat it or should we not eat it? Someone on the internet will say carbs are very important, and someone will say you have to skip carbs, go on keto diet or some fat diet, and it doesn't work at all. So here the key is to balance carbs. You cannot skip carbs. Your body needs carb to function. So whenever you stop eating carbs totally, you end up overeating, and that hinders your weight loss journey. Balance is required for carbs. So whenever you fill your plate, you need to have like 25% of your plate filled with carbs, 50% of your plate filled with protein, and rest 25% of your plate should be filled with fats. This is essential for weight loss. When we are talking about carbs, you cannot skip it. You have to add it, but in less portions. Mistake number 2 is not being consistent. So whenever you think of starting your weight loss journey, you think that you'll start it from tomorrow, and you do it for 1 week, and then boom, you are back in the previous routine again, which you don't want for yourself. You have to be consistent. Set a goal in your mind and set a routine that you're going to follow. Set short-term goals so that it's easier for you to follow the routine, and that's how you will be staying consistent. Mistake number 3 is undereating. Okay, so there was a time when I was skipping meals for weight loss, and I thought that okay, if I skip my lunch, if I skip my breakfast, I'm going to lose weight. But you know what? That didn't work for me. Ulta, it gave me gas problems, and it was a very bad condition for me. That time I learned I cannot skip meals to lose weight. I need to eat. You don't need to skip your meals. You need to eat healthy to lose weight, and you need to understand that. Mistake number 4 is not counting your calories. So whenever you are frying an omelette, you think that okay, इसमें तो ज़्यादा तेल डालना पड़ेगा, but 1 tablespoon of oil will have like 150 calories, and if you add 2 tablespoons of oil, your calories are almost double, like 300 calories. You don't want that. So it's very important to track your calories in the beginning of your weight loss journey. And once you understand how many calories are there in one specific food, later on you will master it, and then you don't need to track it. Last but not the least, sticking to the same workout routine throughout your weight loss journey. It's not going to work because your body will adapt to the workout you're doing on a daily basis, and at some point it won't be effective for your body anymore because your body knows, your body is used to it now. So you need to progressive overload here. If you are walking for weight loss, you need to do more steps, or you need to start walking more intensely, fast. And if you are going to the gym, you need to increase the weights, or you need to change the workouts. You can see whatever works for you. These are the 5 mistakes that you should avoid while being on your weight loss journey. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment in the comment section, and like the video. Bye bye.